All right, we needed to identify a good spot to start building.
I'm bringing all the logs to open area with a nice mountain view.
All right.
Oh, there's a dude here. Oh, it's our dude. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Oh no, there is a zombie here.
Oh, God. Where? Oh, yeah, this is Mudman. Get out of here, Mudman. Back.
Boards on the ground. I think you can just stack
Is this-
logs.
I feel bad. It sounds like a child.
Quick, he's gonna break our hut.
Is he? I mean, he's just running away.
Special logs you need.
Nope.
Oh, man, this looks so cool with the torch. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, I hear someone screaming at me. It sucks. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! This guy's following me. Oh God! Mudman's trying to get me.
Somebody hit me.
Oh my
Jesus.
God! Did you guys hear that too?
Yeah.
Hey Taylor, can I get your fort with you?
Sure. Yeah.
We're
There's
so
room for
safe.
two.
Oh no. I heard somebody died.
Gotta build a torch.
All right, everyone, huddle in.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Oh no.
Come on, he's coming. There's two of them now. Oh my God, he hit me.
Oh God!
Get in the
Okay,
shelter,
I'm
Matt.
coming, guys. I'm coming.
All right. Guess this log cabin's where we're gonna be living.
What? Ow! Oh! What the heck? Get out
Oh
of
my
here!
God.
Freaking! I don't feel good about this.
That's definitely a woman.
Just like usual, boys.
Oh God! It had to be done. This isn't our fault. We still have the moral high ground. Whoa! Got my bow. Do I have arrows? Put the lighter away. Oh my God!
They're coming. They're
Do
coming.
they just like scream? Oh, they're right there. Where are my arrows? Need them.
Oh no!
Oh God! Did they destroy her? No.
We tapped it and it exploded.
Oh,
That
God.
doesn't give me a lot of confidence for her.
Maybe the treehouse
Oh God! Dang it!